Can you stuff your wallet into your phone? Cash and Monese explained. Ever get that sinking feeling when you realize you've forgotten your wallet? It can put a real damper on your day, especially if you're out and about and need to make a quick purchase. These days, with the rise of mobile wallets and digital banking apps, carrying physical cash seems almost old-fashioned. But what if you're someone who prefers the feel of cold, hard cash in your hand, or maybe you just need to deal with someone who only accepts physical money? Well, if you're a Monese user, you might be wondering, can I ditch the wallet altogether and just use the app for everything? Can I, in essence, put cash directly into my Monese account? Let's dive into the world of Monese and cash to see if you can ditch the old leather trifold and embrace a completely digital life. Monese, the need to know. Alright, before we get down to the nitty-gritty of cash and Monese, let's do a quick explainer for anyone new to the game. Monese is a digital banking app that lets you manage your money from your phone. You can open an account in minutes, send and receive money internationally, and even get a debit card for contactless payments. It's a pretty slick app, offering a great alternative to traditional banks, especially if you travel a lot or like to keep your finances on the go. But the big question remains, can you shove physical cash into your Monese account like a digital piggy bank? The cash verdict, not quite there yet. Alright, here's the short answer. As of today, July 13th, 2024, Monese doesn't directly accept cash deposits. That means you can't just walk up to an ATM and shove your bills in to top up your account. Now, this might seem like a bit of a bummer, but there are a few reasons why things are this way. Monese operates primarily in the digital realm, focusing on fast and convenient online transactions. Adding cash deposits would require a whole new network of partner locations, which can be complex and expensive to set up. Alternatives to feed your Monese. So, cash is a no-go for now, but that doesn't mean you're stuck refilling your Monese account only through bank transfers or other digital methods. Here are a few ways to get cash into your Monese account. Top up with a debit card. This is probably the easiest and most common way. You can link your debit card from another bank account to your Monese and transfer money across. Just remember, some banks might charge fees for these transfers, so be sure to check the fine print before you get started. Get paid through Monese. If you're a freelancer or have an employer who offers direct bank transfers, you can set up your Monese account to receive your payments directly. This is a great way to keep all your income flowing into one place. Peer-to-peer transfers. Need a quick top-up from a friend? Many peer-to-peer transfer services allow you to send money directly to your Monese account from your friend's bank account. The future of cash and Monese. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and who knows what the future holds for Monese and cash deposits. Maybe one day they'll partner with a network of stores or ATMs to allow cash deposits. But for now, if you're a die-hard cash user, Monese might not be the perfect fit. However, with its convenient features and focus on digital transactions, it's a great option for those who want to ditch the wallet and embrace a mobile-first financial life. So, that's the verdict on cash and Monese. Remember, while you can't directly deposit cash yet, there are still plenty of ways to keep your Monese account topped up and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and until next time.